Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today mag-unbox tayo ng isa pang affordable 5G phones, and it is the Redmi Note 90 5G. So, another budget phone na 5G, and this phone order ko to sa online sa Lazada, and this is the first dual speakers in the Redmi Note series. So, bago to. Ang in-order kong phone is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. Meron din siyang 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. Kaso out of stock yon, so ito na na-order ko, yung with 64GB of internal memory. So let's do the unboxing now. So ito yung box, Redmi Note 90, and then yung 5G. And then sa sides, Redmi Note 90, pareho sila. Then, unbox na natin. Tapos, yung maliit na box nakasulat designed by Realme. Tingnan natin, anong design by Realme? Oh, may free jelly case. Natutuwa naman ako pag may free jelly case. Kasi nowadays wala na eh. Mga ibang phone. Or ibang model. Ito. And the SIM ejector pin. Balik muna natin. The phone. Phone unit. And charger. And Type-C cable. And walang earphone na, guys. Balik muna natin to sa side. So, here's the phone. And nakasulat is MediaTek Dimensity 800U with dual 5G, 48 megapixel high-resolution camera, 6.53 FHD dot display, and 5000 mAh high charge cycle battery. 5000 mAh. And then, wow! Ganda ng kulay. Tanggalin natin itong sticker sa side. Sa likod. And to. Maganda yung likod niya. Kung narinig nyo. Parang matte siya and may texture din siya. Hindi siya smooth. So, it means hindi siya matakaw sa fingerprint sa likod. Which is good. And parang may grip siya, hindi siya madulas pag ano. So, okay siya sa akin. Ang color na in-order ko is Daybreak Purple. Ito. Maganda siya, mas lalo na sa mga teenagers, sa mga anak ninyo. Maganda yung color. Very hip and funky. Ako nagagandaan ako eh. So, yung power button and the volume control is on the right side. Yung power button also serves as the finger scanner pag mag-unlock yung phone. Tapos, nasa ilalim yung loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, and the headphone jack port. Nandito na rin yung mic. Tapos, nasa left side yung the usual, yung SIM tray and memory card tray. On the top, andun yung secondary microphone. And nasa top ng phone is another speaker. So, dual speaker siya, both up and down. Meron siyang dual speaker. Tapos, makikita nyo yung camera, front camera, is on the side, left side. And then, meron din siyang good thing, meron din siyang screen protector. Pre-installed na siya. Ito. So, set up natin yung phone, tapos babalik ako maya-maya. So, ito na yung phone, guys. Ito. And, kung makikita nyo yung camera, nakalabas siya konti. Ito. But with the help of the jelly case, lagay natin. Like so. And, ayan. Hindi nakalabas yung camera. So, what's good about this jelly case is wala siyang takip sa ilalim, sa may charging port. May ibang model kasi meron takip eh. Very inconvenient sa akin kasi pag mag-charge ka, tatanggal mo pa yung takip. Eh, maiksi yung kuko ko. So, ngayon, convenient lang. Plug and play. Mas lalo na pag madilim sa gabi, sa kwarto ko. Charge mo yung phone. Ito na. Ayan. And guys, if may I add, meron din palang siyang IR blaster. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang remote sa TV, remote control. And the material pala dito sa likod is unibody polycarbonate 3D back. Ganda siya. So, hindi siya takaw sa fingerprint. Besides sa facial recognition to unlock this phone, meron din siya sa fingerprint scanner which is on the side of this phone. So, nakalock siya. Unlock natin. Yan. Lock natin. Then, unlock ulit. Yan. Okay na may response niya, no? Mabilis naman. And the size of this phone is 6.53 inches FHD Plus dot display with 2340 by 1080 resolution. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 na rin to sa unahan. So, anti-splash siya. Not waterproof, anti-splash. And this phone has a MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset with GPU Mali G57. And the OS is MIUI 12 Android 10. Yung SIM card tray can have 2 dual SIM cards plus 1 microSD slot. So, 2 SIM card and 1 microSD slot. So, pwede siya 5G dual standby. Mamimili na lang kayo doon kung anong network ng gusto ninyo sa 5G. For the camera, it has triple setup camera. Meron siyang 48 megapixel wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And this phone can record up to 4K 30 FPS. Meron din siya 1080p, 30 and 60 FPS. And it can do 10 times zoom. For the front camera or selfie camera, it has 30 megapixels. It can also record 1080p at 30 frames per second. And for the next clip, here are the samples, videos, and photos from this phone. Ito yung selfie video. Gumagamit din ako ng selfie stick. So, how's the stabilization? I'm walking. Very exposed nga lang sa likod ko. Mukhang stable naman. Mukhang cloudy sa likod ko. Okay? So, yun ang mga samples, pictures, and videos from this phone. Pag-take ng pictures, dapat wag masyadong malikot, otherwise medyo blurry yung subject ninyo. For the macro shot, okay din pag-take mo ng pictures, effortless, lapit ka lang sa subject ninyo and adjust nyo yung macro options from this phone. For the depth shot, okay naman siya, hindi siya masyadong best quality, pero pwede na, normal lang or standard lang pagdating sa akin. So pag-take ng picture, overall for me standard, okay for everyday use, and halimbawa pag-post niyo sa Instagram and Facebook. When it comes to TikTok, yung selfie video ninyo, okay din siya, clear siya, basta nasa bright place kayo. Pag pupunta kayo sa medyo dark na place, be sure na meron kayong source of light and magiging bright din yung pag-take ninyo ng video and picture. Basta meron ng light sa background ninyo or sa foreground. Wag lang masyadong madilim kasi magiging grainy yung quality ng pictures and videos. For the battery, it has 5,000 mAh. Medyo mabigat sa akin and it weighs 199 grams. But at least 5,000 mAh battery, it can last you all day. For the gaming, in Call of Duty, meron siyang graphic quality up to medium only, frame rate up to high. For Mobile Legends, wala siyang HFR. For graphics, up to high only. So, pero both games, when I played with them, smooth naman, walang lagging. For the Mobile Legends, smooth din yung pagkalaro niya, pero sayang nakulangan ako sa HFR settings niya. Sana magkaroon sila ng update for the HFR settings sa Mobile Legends. Pagdating sa loudspeaker, I really enjoyed the loudspeaker. Kasi yung speaker sa baba and speaker sa taas, pantay, pareho sila ng volume. Unlike dun sa isa kong phone, yung Poco M3, yung speaker sa taas medyo mahina and yung speaker sa baba malakas siya. Ito, pantay siya. So you enjoyed playing games na meron speaker sa taas tsaka sa baba. So either, kasi nga, ganito ako mag-hawak ng phone when playing games. Ganyan. Minsan natatakpan yung ilalim, pero at least meron siyang speaker sa taas. And also, while watching Netflix and watching YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, maganda yung quality ng videos from YouTube. Very colorful siya. And another feature pala na na-discover ko sa camera is the vlog features. Ito yung mga naka-preset na for vlogging. May mga themes siya for vlogging. Tapos, i-click mo lang siya kung anong gusto mo. And then, you will use the front camera for vlog. Tapos, ididikit-dikit nila yung mga clips for them to create the theme of your vlog. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, pero it looks fun and interesting. I'll try this one of these days. Pero short clip lang yata siya pwede. Pero I'll let you know. Gagawa ko nito kasi it looks interesting. So, this phone has NFC also. Again, meron siyang dual speakers, radio, video records, dark mode, and of course, the 5G signals of this phone. So, okay itong phone for TikTok kasi nga maganda yung front camera niya and online class and also for Zoom meeting and also for vlogging. Na-try ko yung front camera while walking. Stabilize siya, hindi siya masyadong makalog. So, okay to for vlogging. So guys, ito na yata yung favorite 5G budget phone ko for now. May na-review ko last time. Medyo okay siya, pero medyo hindi maganda yung quality ng video niya and pictures. Ito, this one, gusto ko to. So, besides of 5G signal, gusto ko rin yung loudspeaker niya kasi both up and down speakers niya are okay. So, for now, this will be my official 5G phone. And for a short period of time, na-impress ako sa phone. And I enjoyed using it. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you again. Bye!